Hey everyone, a game monitor that instantly establishes itself as a strong competitor in the mid to high-end gaming market is the Gigabyte M27Q3. This 27-inch QHD display is made for both content aficionados and competitive gamers, combining speed, accuracy, and color balance into a single, well-balanced product. A fast IPS panel, a native 300 Hz refresh rate with factory overclocking up to 320 Hz, and a quick 1 millisecond GTG reaction time are among the notable qualities that compete with monitors that cost much more. With its straightforward and useful design, the M27Q3 immediately leaves a lasting impression. Gigabyte has obviously chosen a polished look over something too gaudy or aggressive. Additionally, the monitor has the ability to swivel into portrait mode, and it is compatible with VESA 100 by 100 brackets for customers who would rather hang it on the wall. The M27Q3 is remarkably well equipped for multitasking and gaming in terms of networking. It is perfect for charging laptops or other devices because it has two HDMI 2.1 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4 input, and a USB-C port with smart power delivery, which can deliver up to 18-watt standard and 45-watt dynamic power. A 3.5mm audio jack, USB 3.2 ports, and an integrated KVM switch are also included, enabling users to control several connected devices with a single keyboard and mouse. The M27Q3's display is its main component. Its 27-inch panel and QHD resolution provide the ideal ratio of crisp images to controllable GPU usage. The AI-enhanced features from Gigabyte further improve the experience. The AI backlight stabilizer feature on the monitor reduces blurring during fast camera movements by utilizing VRR. Sharper object tracking and enhanced visual clarity during fast-paced action scenes are the outcomes. Both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync are supported for adaptive sync, and HDMI 2.1 VRR is supported for console gaming. This results in a consistently fluid experience by removing frame tearing and stuttering across platforms. Another standout feature of the M27Q3 is its color reproduction, which covers 95% of the DCI-P3 gamut and has a 10-bit color depth that can display more than 1 billion shades. When used in the real world, the colors have precise tones, distinct gradients, and a vibrant yet realistic appearance. By increasing brightness by up to 400 nits, HDR 400 certification guarantees a modest but discernible boost in dynamic range. The Smart OD solution from Gigabyte enhances the visual experience even further by automatically modifying pixel response times based on refresh rate to lessen ghosting without adding halos. Other AI-powered features, such as AI Picture Mode, automatically adjust visual contrast and sharpness based on the scene. In terms of daily performance, the display provides gamers with the accuracy, fluidity, and comfort they desire. When compared to conventional 144 Hz or even 240 Hz screens, the 320 Hz refresh rate actually makes a difference, particularly in competitive games. In summary, the Gigabyte M27Q3 is a unique monitor designed by those who genuinely understand the needs of gamers. Precise images, lightning-fast reaction, adaptable connection, and comfort during extended gaming sessions. It's a display that seamlessly transitions between daily use, creative work, and competitive gaming. Rich color output, adaptive sync, 320 Hz refresh rate, and QHD resolution make it one of the greatest options in its class. The M27Q3 is a fantastic choice that goes above and beyond for anyone looking for a high-performance monitor that offers speed and visual brilliance without going into ultra-premium pricing. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.